हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टेलर्स थ्योरम एक सम फिक्स आता है और बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है बच्चों लोग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट वी रिमेंबर दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ टेलर्स थ्योरम। व्हाट इज दिस स्टेटमेंट? हियर f of capital X plus H, capital X is very important. Capital X is very important. F of capital X plus H, it is f of H plus capital X f dash H plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash H plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash H and so on. This is in increasing powers of capital X. ये पूरा टॉपिक ये स्टेटमेंट पर डिपेंड है। ये स्टेटमेंट है तो टॉपिक है, तो ये स्टेटमेंट हर बच्चों को आंखें बंद करके 2 बार याद करना है और 2 बार लिख लेना है। ये स्टेटमेंट आपको बहुत मेन है। व्हाट इज f ऑफ कैपिटल X प्लस H? हर बच्चों को याद करना बच्चों लोग, आंखें बंद करके याद करो, बाद में 2 बार लिख लेना और बाद में सम स्टार्ट करो। What is f of capital X plus H? f of H plus capital X f dash H plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash H plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash H and so on. And it is in increasing powers of capital X. And it is in increasing powers of capital X. बस स्टेटमेंट याद है। नाउ विल स्टार्ट एग्जांपल्स। एक बात याद रखना, ये टॉपिक में जो पावर्स में एक्सपांशन रिक्वायर्ड है वी डू इट बाय कैपिटल एक्स। और एक बात बोल रहा हूं, जो पावर्स में एक्सपांशन रिक्वायर्ड है इसे आप कैपिटल एक्स लेना। एक्सपांशन रिक्वायर्ड इन पावर्स ऑफ सम टर्म, सम रिक्वायर्ड टर्म आपको रिक्वायर्ड होता है बच्चों लोग, एंड वी डिनोट इट बाय कैपिटल एक्स। डिनोट by capital X, denote that term by capital X, denote that term by capital X। जो पावर्स में आपको एक्सपांशन पूछा बच्चों लोग, I denote that term by capital X। बस इतना स्टेटमेंट आप याद रखो, आपको ये टॉपिक वर्ल्ड का सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक लगेगा। जो पावर्स में जरूरत है उसी कैपिटल एक्स, जो पावर्स में आंसर होना उसी कैपिटल एक्स, जो पावर्स में आंसर होना इसी कैपिटल एक्स, जो पावर्स में आंसर पूरा वी डिनोट इट बाय कैपिटल एक्स, डिनोट बाय कैपिटल एक्स, दैट्स ऑल। क्योंकि बराबर कैपिटल एक्स के पावर उसे अगर बराबर एडजस्ट किया, सेट किया, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा। नाउ सम, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम, वेरी स्टैंडर्ड सम। एक्सपांड 2x क्यूब प्लस 7x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 6 इन पावर्स ऑफ x माइनस 2। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट स्टेप? डिनोट गिवन फंक्शन बाय f of x, denote it by f of x. What is value of f of x? 2x cube plus 7x square plus x minus 6. Very simple. Now we want expansion in powers of x minus 2. We want expansion in powers of x minus 2, and hence we can adjust, we can write this f of x as f of x minus 2 plus 2. We can write it as x minus 2 plus 2. Now this denote this x minus 2 by capital X. आप जो ये पार्ट है बच्चे लोग, आप इसे कैपिटल X डिनोट करोगे, and this denote it by H. Where we denote it by capital X, बराबर आंसर x माइनस 2 के पावर में आएगा, बिकॉज टेलर्स थ्योरम इज इन कैपिटल X, बिकॉज टेलर्स थ्योरम इज इन कैपिटल X, सो वी गेट एक्सपांशन इन पावर्स ऑफ x माइनस 2। मतलब यही आपका 90% सम खत्म हो जाता है जब आप कैपिटल X की जगह पर x माइनस 2 लोगे बच्चे लोग और h आप 2 सेट करोगे, तो बराबर आपको एक्सपांशन इन पावर्स ऑफ x माइनस 2 मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज टेलर्स थ्योरम इज इन पावर्स ऑफ कैपिटल X। नाउ व्हाट इज टेलर्स थ्योरम? What is Taylor's theorem? Step second, Taylor's theorem is very simple. What is Taylor's theorem? F of capital X plus H, it is f of H plus x f dash H plus x square by 2 factorial by into f double dash H plus x cube by 3 factorial divide into triple dash H and so on. एक याद रखना, जितना है x का हाईएस्ट पावर है उतना डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट होता है. If power of x is 3, third derivative is defined. तो आप यहां तक ही लिखेंगे. If power of x is 4, we must take 4 derivative because 4 derivative is defined. जितना x का पावर उतना डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट होता है, जितना x का पावर उतना डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट होता है. क्योंकि आपको एक जनरल फॉर्मूला याद है. व्हाट इज जनरल फॉर्मूला? nth डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू n इस पावर का फैक्टोरियल विच इज कांस्टेंट, और आगे के डेरिवेटिव 0 बन जाते हैं. जितना x का पावर उतना डेरिवेटिव होता है पावर का फैक्टोरियल, बाकी डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाते हैं. दिस इज वेरी बेसिक फॉर्मूला. सो as power of x is 3, we must take up to third derivative. Now put capital X equal to x minus 2. We put h is equal to 2. So what is the answer? Dear student, f of x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to f of 2 plus x minus 2 f dash 2 plus x minus 2 square by 2 factorial f double dash 2 plus x minus 2 cube by 3 factorial f double dash 2 and so on, जो x minus 2 के पावर में आ गया. So we put respective values. So f of x minus 2 plus 2, it is f of 2 plus x minus 2 f dash 2 plus x minus 2 का स्क्वायर divided by 2 factorial, it is f double dash 2 plus x minus 2 cube by 3 factorial. Very simple, concentration divided by 3 factorial f triple dash 2 and so on. आगे के डेरिवेटिव 0 बनेंगे बच्चे लोग. And I denote this equation by capital X. It's a capital star. I denote it by star. Now in next step we will find f of 2, f dash 2, f double dash 2, f triple dash 2 and so on. I will find all the values and put in this equation. We get the answer. Now how to find f of 2, f dash 2, f double dash 2? आप में से कुछ बच्चे बता पाएंगे. How to find f of 2, how to find f dash 2? आप में से कुछ बच्चे बता पाएंगे क्योंकि बच्चे होशियारी होते हैं. Now how to find f of 2? बोलो, how to find f of 2? आप f of x में x के ऊपर 2 रिप्लेस करेंगे. Okay, f dash 2 take derivative and 2 and so on. So dear student, I will find that term as like this. Okay, so this is very basic formula which is very standard formula for knowledge. Now in next step number 3, how to find f of 2? What is given? F of x is 2x cube plus 7x square plus x minus 6. To find f dash 2, find f dash x. It is 6x square plus 14x plus 1. 6x square plus 14x plus 1. F double dash x. It is 12x plus 14. What is f double dash x? It is 12 and next derivative become 0. इसलिए हमने आगे के टर्म लिए नहीं. Because derivative of constant is 0. Dear student, we want now f of 2. How to find f of 2? X replaced by 2. F of 2. X replaced by 2. So here f dash 2, x ज्यादा पर है 2 रिप्लेस करोगे. f डबल डैश 2 ज्यादा पर x से 2 रिप्लेस करोगे. f ट्रिपल डैश 2 ज्यादा पर x से अप टू, एंड दिस डेरिवेटिव इज तो 0 आता है. वेरी सिंपल. दिस इज 0. f dash 2 is 12. x replaced by 2, 24 and 4, 38. f dash 4, 24, 28 plus 1, it is 53a. x replaced by 2, 2 cube, 8, 16 plus 28 plus 2 minus 6, this is 46. In this way we get all values. Now put in equation star and we get the answer. So we get the answer. So put in star, that is last step. Put in star equation. So what is the value of f of x? because these two get cancelled. These two get cancelled. This 12. Now, what is f of 2? What is the answer? F of 2 is 46. Then x minus 2, 53. Plus x minus 2 bracket square by 2, 38. X minus 2 cube by 8, 12. And so on. And so on. So, this value is f of 2 is 46. Plus x minus 2. What is f dash 2? 53. Plus x minus 2 bracket square plus x minus 2 bracket square by 2. It is 38. Now x minus 2 cube by 3 factorial is 6. And what is f triple dash 2 is 12. And other terms is 0. So what is the final answer? 46 plus 53 into x minus 2 plus 19 into x minus 2 square plus 2. It is x minus 2 ka cube. And this is the required answer, which is in powers of x minus 2, which is in powers of. So we express given f of x in powers of x minus 2. So very simple sum, very simple sum, very simple sum. मुझे विश्वास है हर बच्चों को समझ में आएगा. बच्चे लोग प्रैक्टिस करना, बिना देखे ये सम 2 बार 3 बार लिखो, यही सम लिखो. हर बच्चों को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं, एवरी स्टूडेंट राइट दिस सेम सम 2-3 टाइम्स टू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ये सम होने के बाद में 2 बार 3 बार लिखोगे तो आगे जाना, तो आपको धीरे धीरे पार्ट सिंपल बनेगा. बहुत सारे बच्चों को समझ में आता नहीं, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट बनता है. तो आप लोग यही सम 2 बार 3 बार लिखो. सेम सम फॉर प्रैक्टिस मैं ये सम लेता हूं. सेम सम वी एक्सपांड दिस 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube in powers of x plus 1. सेम सम है. दिस इज सम फॉर प्रैक्टिस. तो आप खुद करना, खुद करेंगे, बाद में आप चेक करना अलाउ है. कॉपी करना अलाउ नहीं है. ये सम आपको कॉपी करना अलाउ नहीं. खुद करो, मैं करके दिखाता हूं, लेकिन आपके लिए खुद करना. वीडियो पॉज करो, खुद करो, बाद में चेक करना. सो वी कैन राइट दिस f of x at this term. We want in powers of x plus 1. So f of x is written as f of x plus 1 minus 1. आपको x plus 1 में होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. Now अगर यहां पर x plus 3 होता, so we will write x plus 3 minus 3. जो फॉर्मेट में पूछा इसे, अभी जो पावर्स में पूछा है, I denote it by capital X. We want in powers of x plus 1, so denote it by capital X. So what is capital X is x plus 1. And what is the remaining value of h is minus 1. The remaining value of h is minus 1. आप लोगों ने ऐसा सेट करना जरूरी है. आप लोग ऐसा सेट करोगे. Now, what is the Taylor theorem? F of capital X plus h. What is f of capital X plus h? F of h plus capital X f dash h plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash h plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash h and so on. As power of x is 3, we take up to third derivative. As power of x is 3, the third derivative exists. Fourth derivative 0 बनेगा. Now we put respective values. What is the value of f of? What is value of capital X? Capital X is x plus 1. And what is h is minus 1. Capital X is x plus 1. H is minus 1. So f of x plus 1 minus 1 equal to f of minus 1 plus x plus 1 f dash minus 1 plus x plus 1 bracket square by 2 factorial f double dash minus 1 plus x plus 1 bracket cube by 3 factorial f triple dash minus 1 and so on. So dear student, it is written as f of x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to f of x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to, very simple, f of minus 1 plus x plus 1 f dash minus 1 plus x plus 1 bracket square by 2 factorial f double dash minus 1 plus x plus 1 cube by 3 factorial. It is f triple dash minus 1 and so on. and very simple. Dear student, here x plus 1 cube by 3 factorial, f double dash minus 1 and so on. F double dash minus 1 and so on. Now, in next step, we'll find f of minus 1, f dash minus 1, f double dash minus 1 and f double dash and minus 1. Once we get this value, we put in star equation and we get the answer. We'll put in the star equation and we'll get the answer. Now how to find f of minus 1? ये आपको होना चाहिए. How to find value of f of minus 1? So here f of x is known. F of minus 1, x replaced by minus 1. F dash minus 1, derivative and then put. So in next step, step number 3. What is f of x? Is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. F dash x, take derivative. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus 2 plus 6x plus 12x square. पावर आगे लेना, x से पावर कम करना, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. What is f double dash x? Second derivative is 6 plus 24x. What is f double dash x? Dear student, it is 24. What is fourth derivative is? Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Now, we want value at minus 1. So, what is f of minus 1? What is f dash of minus 1? What is f double dash at minus 1? What is f triple dash at minus 1? And it is 4 derivative at minus 1. Very simple. Now, what is f of minus 1? What is f of minus 1? X replaced by minus 1. तो आप लोग वैल्यू, suppose last value is 0. This is also 24. Minus 1. Minus 24. This is 18. Minus 18. Now, what is minus 1? 2 minus 4. Minus 4 and 12. It is 8. Minus 1. X replaced by minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 4 plus 2. 2 and minus 4. That is minus 2. Now, we replace respective values in star equation. We get the answer. Now, we put respective values in equation 1 in star. We put in star equation. So, what is the value of f of x? Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. What is f of minus 1? It is minus 2 plus x plus 1. What is value of f dash minus 1? Plus 8 plus x plus 1 bracket square. It is minus 18 and so on. So, x plus 1, it is 8. It is x plus 1 bracket square by 2. It is minus 18. Next value, last value, very simple, plus x plus 1 cube by 6, and this value is 24, and last value is 0. What is the final answer? It is minus 2 plus 8 x plus 1 minus 9 x plus 1 square plus 4 x plus 1 cube. In this way, we get the required value of function. We get the required value of the function in powers of x plus 1. In powers of x plus 1. Very simple, very important. Request to every student, सब बच्चों ने आफ्टर गेटिंग आंसर और बार प्रैक्टिस करो. अगर कोई बच्चे को नहीं आ रहा है और एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो, एक बार कंप्लीट करके रखो, आपको वर्ड का सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक लगेगा. बिकॉज वेरी सिंपल, जो पावर्स में होना चाहिए आई डिवाइडेड बाय कैपिटल एक्स, बस इतना याद रखो. एंड रिमेनिंग टर्म इज एच. वी पुट रिस्पेक्टिव वैल्यूज इन द टेलर्स थ्योरम एंड simplify respective values and put. This is one more important sum. Very standard sum. आपको टेलर्स में अगर ज्यादा तकलीफ हो रहा है तो दो ही सम करके जाना, फर्स्ट सम और थर्ड सम. आपको इसके बाहर सम दे जाएगा. वेरी स्टैंडर्ड सम. यूजिंग दिस टेलर्स थ्योरम, एक्सप्रेस x minus 2 raised to 4 minus 3 x minus 2 raised to 3 plus 4 x minus 2 raised to 2 plus 5 in powers of small x, in powers of x. लास्ट सम और ये सम में बिल्कुल उल्टा है. In last sum, equation is in powers of x is given and we'll prove in powers of x minus 2. We'll express it in powers of x minus 2. Here, example is in powers of x minus 2 is given and we want in powers of x. using Taylor's theorem, using Taylor's theorem, using Taylor's theorem. What is the simple part? Very simple, very standard, very important. First step. In powers of x minus 2 is given, so this is function of x minus 2. So denote given function as x minus 2. Denote by f of x minus 2. What is value of f of x minus 2? X minus 2 raised to 4 minus 3, x minus 2 raised to 3 plus 4, x minus 2 raised to 2 and plus 5. This is function of x minus 2. X minus 2 is there, and hence this is function of x minus 2. Now we convert in powers of, we want in powers of small x. Now we can write, yeah, we have f of x minus 2 is given. जो पावर्स में होना चाहिए इसे कैपिटल एक्स लेना. मैंने आपको 1000 बार बोला बच्चों लोग, ध्यान देना. जो पावर्स में पूछा है इसे आप कैपिटल एक्स लेना. क्यों? टेलर्स थ्योरम इज इन कैपिटल पावर्स ऑफ एक्स. अगर इफ वी सेड कैपिटल एक्स और स्मॉल एक्स, वी गेट रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. सो वी सेड दिस स्मॉल एक्स एज कैपिटल एक्स. We said capital X as small x, and this remaining term is h. This remaining term is h. So we said capital X as small x. We said capital X as small x, and h is equal to minus 2. We take h is equal to minus 2. Very simple, very simple. Now, if we said capital X equal to small x, तो आपको आंसर ही मिल जाएगा बच्चों. वर्ल्ड का सबसे सिंपल सम, वेरी सिंपल सम. नाउ टेलर्स थ्योरम लिखो, बाद में आपको रिस्पेक्टिव वैल्यू रखना, आंसर आ जाएगा. मुझे विश्वास है हर बच्चों को आएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द टेलर्स थ्योरम? व्हाट इज द टेलर्स थ्योरम? ये टेलर्स थ्योरम इज, दैट इज स्टेप नंबर 2. व्हाट इज टेलर्स थ्योरम इज? टेलर्स थ्योरम इज f of capital X plus h. It is f of h plus capital X f dash h plus capital X square by 2 factorial f double dash h plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash h. We must take 4 derivative because power of x is 4. 4 derivative definitely exists. Fifth derivative becomes 0. Fifth derivative becomes 0. So this is x, capital X raised to 4. Capital X raised to 4 by 4 factorial f4 derivative at h. F4 derivative at h. As power of x is 4, 4 derivative exists. 4 derivative exists, and this is the required part. This is required part. अभी आप लोग इसे क्या करेंगे? Suppose I take this term on this side. This is step number 2. Very simple, very simple, and so on, and so on. This is very basic step of this Taylor's theorem. Now we put respective values. We put respective values. What is capital X? Dear student, what is capital X? Here we replace capital X as small x and h as minus 2. So here f of small x minus 2 is f of minus 2 plus small x f dash minus 2 plus x small x square by 2 factorial f double dash at minus 2 plus small x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash at minus 2 and so on. We get the answer. Very simple. Now I put respective value f of small x minus 2, f of small x minus 2, f of h means f of minus 2 plus small x f dash at minus 2 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash at minus 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash at minus 2. Correct? Next, plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f4 derivative at minus 2 and so on and so on. Suppose this equation is a star. Now we get the answer. Only we have to put value of f of minus 2, then f dash minus 2, then f double dash minus 2, f triple dash minus 2, f4 derivative. If we find all these values, we put here and we get expansion in powers of small x. We get answer in powers of small x. That is required answer. So the very basic step, we start with f of x minus 2. Then we set capital X as small x because we want expansion in powers of small x and put respective values. Now next step is how to find value of f of minus 2. अभी ये पार्ट हर बच्चे को आ जाएगा, हाउ टू फाइंड एफ ऑफ -2, अरे हर बच्चे को समझ में आएगा, हर बच्चे को हाउ टू फाइंड एफ ऑफ -2। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये सम एक एडजस्टमेंट है, वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक, वेरी सिंपल आइडिया, वेरी सिंपल आइडिया। आई डिनोट this f of x minus 2, I replace x minus 2 by t, put x minus 2 by say small t. So what is f of t? T raised to 4 minus 3 t cube per plus 4 t square plus 5. So what is f of t? It is t raised to 4 minus 3 t cube plus 4 t square plus 5. Q, why I replace it by t? Because we can easily find all remaining values. So very simple idea, very simple trick. X minus 2 replaced by 2. Now we can find f dash t easily. It is 4 t cube minus 9 t square plus 8t. What is f double dash t? It is 12 t square minus 18 t plus 8 d of 50. Now what is f triple dash t? It is 24 t minus 18. Date of t is 1, 8 का 0. What is f4 derivative at t? It is 24. What is fifth derivative at t? This derivative becomes 0. This derivative becomes 0. Now what is value of f of -2? आप लोग easily find कर पाओगे. We can easily find value of f dash of -2, f double dash at -2, f triple dash at -2, f4 derivative at -2 and so on. So this value is 0. This is 24 -2 -48 and -18 -66. Here -2, it is 92. It is when we replace it by -2, it is -84, and when this is 61. It is 61. So by putting this value, we can easily find value of f of -2 and so on. Now when we replace respective values in star equation, we get the answer. So what is f of x minus 2? It is 61 plus small x minus 84 plus x square by 2 92, x cube by 3 factorial minus 66 and so on and so on. So dear student, we get the answer as put in star equation. By star equation, suppose that is step number 4. By star equation, it is f of x minus 2. F of x minus 2. It is 61 plus small x. It is minus 84 plus x square by 2 factorial. It is 92 plus x cube by 3 factorial is 6. It is minus 66 plus x raised to 4 by 24. It is 24 and this value is 0. Now we simplify. We simplify the value. So what is the final value after simplification? It is 61 minus 84x plus 46 x square minus 11 x cube and plus x raised to 4. In this way we get value as f of x minus 2. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल. बच्चों लोग प्रैक्टिस करना, ये सम आपको सिंपल लगेगा. कब? आप बिना देखे ये सम 2 बार 3 बार लिखना. आगे जाए, कुछ बच्चे खाली टॉपिक और करते, कुछ टॉपिक. बच्चों लोग एक बार रुक के जरा करो, बाद में स्पीड लो. इसे आप 2 बार 3 बार बिना देखे करना, तो ये आपको अच्छा लगेगा. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द फेमस सम इन टेलर्स थ्योरम. वी डिनोट दिस फंक्शन as here this Taylor's theorem, we have to express this part in ascending powers of x, in ascending powers of x. So as it is in powers of x plus 2, I denote by f of x plus 2 as 7 plus x plus 2 plus 3 x plus 2 cube plus x plus 2 raised to 4. Now we can write step second. We can write. बच्चे लोग आप लोगों ने खुद करना, बाद में सपोर्ट लेना. कोई बच्चा कॉपी करेगा नहीं. लास्ट सम देखिए, इसे करो और बाद में चेक कर लेना. कोई बच्चा कॉपी करना अलाउ नहीं है. सो हियर f ऑफ x प्लस 2. सो इसे आप लोग कैपिटल f ऑफ x प्लस h शो करोगे. व्हाट इज कैपिटल x? what is capital X? We want in small x power, so capital X we set as small x, because Taylor's theorem is in capital X, in increasing powers of capital X, and this is H. This is H. Now what is the Taylor's theorem? Step number second. Step number second. What is the Taylor's theorem? Taylor's theorem is, bolo, what is f of capital X plus H? It is f of H plus capital X f dash H plus capital X square by 2 factorial f double dash H plus capital X cube by 3 factorial f double dash H plus capital X raised to 4 by 4 factorial by 4 factorial f4 derivative at H, and so on and so on. This is Taylor's theorem. अभी आपने कैपिटल X के पास स्मॉल x रखना है. We said capital X as small x, H as 2. So what is the value? We get as f of small x plus 2. It is f of 2. It is small x f dash 2 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash 2 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f4 derivative at 2, and so on. Take this equation as 1. Take this equation as 1. Now how to find this f of 2? That is the main part. F dash 2, f double dash 2, f triple dash 2, f4 derivative at 2. I will find all these values. I will find all these values from the given equation. From the given equation. So for that, what is the simple trick? What is the simple trick? What is simple trick? Put x plus 2 by t. Simply x plus 2 replace. This is definition of function. What is simply x plus 2 by t? So say 1 plus t plus 3t cube plus t raised to 4. So f of t is below say 1 plus t plus 3t cube plus t raised to 4. Now we can find value of f of 2. T replaced by 2. What is f dash 2? So f dash t, it is 0. 7 का derivative 0 plus 9t square plus 4t cube. Now then we can find f dash 2. जहाँ पर t है, replaced by 2. Here f double dash t. It is 18t plus 12t square, then f double dash 2. F triple dash t, it is 18 plus 24t. Now what is value of f triple dash 2? Now f4 derivative at t, it is 0 and it is 24. So it is f4 derivative at 2 is 24 and next derivative is 0. जितना पावर होगा उतना derivative आता है, कांस्टेंट का derivative becomes 0. x का जितना पावर उतना derivative आता है बच्चों लोग, other derivative 0. Now it is 24. Now t replaced by 2, 48, 56, 66. Now t replaced by 2, 18 into 2, 36 plus 12 into 4, correct? So it is 84. Now t replaced by 2, 1 plus 4 into 36 and 32, it is 69. And 2 when replaced, say 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 2 cube, that is 24 plus 16, and that value is 49. I replace all these values in equation 1 and we get the answer. In equation 1 and we get the answer. So what is by equation 1? Step 4. By 1. Dear student, it is f of x plus 2 is f of 2 is 49 plus x, f dash 2 is 69 plus x square by 2 factorial, and it is 84, plus x cube by 3 factorial is 6, it is 66, plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial 24, it is 24, and last term is 0. Overall, it is 49 plus 69x plus 42x square plus 11x cube plus x raised to 4. This is required answer in powers of x. This is required answer in powers of x. One of the simple sum and standard sum in this Taylor's theorem. Very important sum. Now this is also very important sum. ये टाइप के बहुत सारे सम से बच्चे लोग, but these are the very basic sum, and after solving this example you can solve any unsolved sum. Now here expand e raised to x in powers of x minus 2, in powers of x minus 2, in powers of x minus 2. Concept समझो. I denote f of x as e raised to x. F of x, I can write f of x as in terms of f of x minus 2 plus 2, because we want in powers of x minus 2, so I can write it as x minus 2 and plus 2, add and subtract 2. जो पावर्स में टेलर थ्योरम पूछा है, जो पावर्स में आंसर पूछा है, we set it as capital X. We set it at capital X, and so h is 2. So what is the, we replace in future capital X as x minus 2 and h is equal to 2. Why we set it at capital X? Because Taylor's theorem is in capital X. Because Taylor's theorem is in capital X. तो जब आप capital X ये रखोगे तो बराबर x minus 2 के पावर में आ गया, एक छोटा सा पार्ट बच जाता है. Replace. What is f of? What is capital X? What is capital X? X minus 2. H is 2. F of 2 plus x minus 2, f dash 2, and so on. So it is x minus 2 plus 2. It is f of 2 plus x minus 2, f dash 2, plus, very simple, plus x minus 2 square by 2 factorial, it is f double dash 2, plus x minus 2 cube by 3 factorial, f double dash 2, and so on and so on. Now we replace this value, f of 2, f dash 2, ये will find करेंगे and we get d, we put in this equation. Suppose this equation is 1 या star. So how to find f of 2? हर बच्चे को मालूम है, अरे orally निकाल पाएगा. How to find f of 2? x replaced by 2. How to find f dash 2? Take derivative. So what is the step 3? Step 3 is given f of x as e raised to x. So what is f of 2? X replaced by 2. What is f dash x? E raised to x. Again f dash 2 is e raised to 2. Derivative of this term is as it is. So f double dash 2 is e raised to 2. Again f double dash x, again e raised to x, and hence f double dash 2 is e raised to 2, and so on. Now we just replace respective values and we get the answer. Just we replace respective values and we get the answer. So by equation 1, that is step 4. Step 4. So f of x is, because 2 minus 2 get cancelled. What is f of 2? E raised to 2 plus x minus 2, it is e raised to 2, plus x minus 2 square by 2 factorial, e raised to 2, plus x minus 2 cube by 3 factorial, e raised to 2, and we get the answer. We get the answer. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप e raised to minus 2 कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, and this is the required answer. Very standard sum, very standard sum. Now this is one more sum. Now here prove log of x plus h equal to log of h plus x by h plus x square by 2 factorial, x square by 2h square plus x cube by 3h cube, and so on. So here first step, f of x plus h, it is in powers of log of x plus h. Now what is observation? Required expansion is in powers of small x. So I set capital X as small x. I set this as small x, capital X. And what is h is as it is, h को as it is. So we set capital X as small x and this h is as it is. Because required expansion is in powers of small x and hence I denote it by capital X. अगर h के पावर में होता सिंपल h के पावर में तो हम लोग कैपिटल एक्स लेते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर कैपिटल स्मॉल एक्स के फॉर्म में, सो वी सेट इट एज कैपिटल एक्स एज स्मॉल एक्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द टेलर थ्योरम? स्टेप सेकंड, व्हाट इज टेलर थ्योरम? बाय टेलर्स थ्योरम, by Taylor's theorem, f of capital X plus h, it is f of h plus capital X f dash h. Very standard formula, x square by 2 factorial f double dash h plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash h, and so on. Because required answer is in small x. Now we put respective values. We put respective values. F of small x plus h, f of h as it is. Capital X is replaced by small x, f dash h plus x square by 2 factorial. Very simple, f double dash h plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash h, and so on. Take this equation as 1. Now how to find f of h, f dash h, f double dash h, and so on. Now as usual, step number 3. Step number 3, how to find f of h? So x plus h is replaced by t. X plus h is replaced by t. So what is f of t? It is log of t. Log of t. Correct? What is f dash t? It is 1 by t. What is f double dash t? It is minus 1 by t square. What is f triple dash t? It is derivative is minus t raised to minus 2. So it is 2 t raised to minus 3. Now we want value of f of h. So what is f of h is log h. What is f dash h? Is 1 by h. What is f double dash h? F double dash h is minus 1 by h square. What is f triple dash h? Is 2 by h cube, and so on. We want up to x cube. Now in last step, put in 1 and get the answer. Put in 1. Put in 1. So what is the log of x plus h is? आप आंसर रखिए बच्चों लोग, देखो वैल्यू रखो f of h. What is f of h is log h plus x. What is f dash h? 1 by h plus x square by 2, it is minus 1 by h square, plus x cube by 6, it is 2 by h cube, and so on. So what is the final value is log h plus x by h minus x square by 2 h square, and plus x cube by 3 h cube, and so on. In this way we get the required answer. Thank you बच्चों लोग.